Hi everyone, how are you all? And welcome back to Hunter channel. Today I'm talk about multipliers in Deriv. It's today I show you a strategy for low risk and earn some money on daily basis. Okay, so I have an indicator. Okay, simple. I follow daily a single uh, indicator signal, like green is for buy, red is for sell. Okay, it indicator when give alert, so it's showing to buy or sell. Okay, daily follow only 2 to 3 signals. Okay, for on low risk and can take profit. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for a signal alert, so let's wait for the until a signal. Okay guys, okay, we got a 50 index period M5. There is a sale signal, so we should follow this one. Volatility 50 index, yes, this one. So we take the trade for $5, and this is the minimum 20, and take profit usually for $1, but this I want to check for this one, so we should take, so we go for the trade. Okay, we took the trade, so let's see the how will go this one. Okay guys, so it's a take the minimum. I for just for checking, but I recommend, and I am using the $5 trade and $1 profit, take profit automatically close. Okay, so I take the trade here for $5, but take profit for $half. Okay guys, so let's see the how will go this trade.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? positivity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
Guys, see, this is the take profit and close the trade automatically. Now my balance is this, and this is the I'm talking about. The multiplier is giving you uh, a low risk. You don't go on more multiplier because it's maximize your losses. Multiply 2 also. Okay, so go for slow, 20%, 40%, 50%, 100 and 200%. Okay guys, so see, this is there is a here is a 100, 200, 300, so go set on 100%. Okay guys, and this is my report statements. You can watch my last 7 days. Okay, see, this is my all previous trades. Okay guys, I here is okay, this is my all last 7 days. So guys, and this is I follow the signal from the indicator. So who want this signal indicator, kindly contact me on my Telegram channel. Thank you guys.